Algebraic expressions. There are many different kinds of algebraic expressions, but today we are going to learn the expressions which are having variables and the powers on them. For example, a, which is equals to a the power 1, means if there is no power on top of any variable, it's having a power 1. If it is a the power 2 or square, that is equals to a times a. If it's a the power 3, that means 3 times you need to multiply a. And if a the power n, that is a times a times a, sewn up to a, means nth factor, or we can say a the power n. Similarly, if it is 2, which is equals to 2 the power 1, which is equals to 2, and if it is 2 square, that is equals to 2 times 2, which is equal to 4. If it is 2 cube, this is equals to 2 times 2 times 2, which is equals to 8. And same way, 2 the power n can be written as 2 times 2 sewn up to 2, having nth factor means 2 the power n, or we can say n factor. In this one, a is called the base and n is called index or power. So power or index is n of that variable. So let's do multiplication of variables having powers. How we can multiply those variables which are in between. There is a multiple sign and there is a power on between the variables. Let's do the formula first. A the power n times a the power n. Here a is the variable and n and m are the powers of those variables. So n and m are the powers or index. So this can be written as a times a sewn up to a, as we have written a the power n at the top, and a times a times a sewn up to a. The first one is n factor because it's a the power n, and the second one is m factor because that is a the power m. So we can combine because there is a multiple sign between them, which will be equal to a times a times a times a sewn up to a times a. We can say that it is n plus m factor or m plus n factor. So this will be equals to a n plus m. So we just need to remember this thing. If there is a multiple sign between the variables, then the powers will add. There is a sign of multiply between them. Just remember, multiply sign, the powers will add. We can write this as a the power n plus m. Addition, we need to do addition, or we can say the powers will add if there is a multiple sign. Now let's do few questions related to that. Suppose if it's a the power 6 times a the power 4, now we can see this is times, a is the variable, 6 and 4 are the powers. We just need to write 6 times a, which is a times a times a times a times a times a, need to put the bracket on and off, times 4 times we need to write a. We no need to do any divide in this one because there is no division sign, and then in the multiply we just need to multiply all the a's. That will become 10 times a we need to write, and this will become a the power 10, which is 6 plus 4 is 10. So you can add 2 of these steps, or you can straight away come to the third step if you can remember these top 2 steps in your mind. So means multiply, then you need to add the powers. Let's do another example. A the power 2 times a the power 4, which is equals to a the power 2 plus 4, and a the power 6 is the answer because 2 plus 4 is 6. So this is the easy way to remember. Let's do one more problem. A the power 5 times a the power 7, easy, a the power 5 plus 7, which is equals to a the power 12. So just remember in this one, if there is a multiply sign between the variables, we just need to add the powers. So just remember, multiply and powers will get add. That's it.